आपकी जर्नी के बारे में बताइए।
I have in merchant navy approximately 27 years.
इफ़ यू हैव अ स्टोरी जिसमें आपको डर लगा हो बहुत ज़्यादा,
My every voyage have this story.
तो 27 साल में समुद्र ने आपको बदला या आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा वहाँ पे?
I cannot change sea. Sea has changed me a lot.
तो आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि आपको एक बिज़नेस में आना चाहिए?
I was not absorbing that.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू नो योर प्रोडक्ट, क्या नाम है उसका?
So I want myself as a responsible for my brand. So that was the reason I put my face in.
किस वजह से ये प्रोडक्ट आप बनाना चाह रहे हैं?
Captain is the one who will take decision.
ओके। और जो लीडरशिप स्किल सीखी है आपने वहाँ पे, तो क्या अपने बिजनेस में भी वो फॉलो हुई वो?
Discipline inside.
करें।
I cannot survive without discipline.
कैप्टन हनी क्या सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट है?
And honey is the one of the ingredient which can enhance health.
लोग मर्चेंट नेवी को ग्लैमरस और पावरफुल समझते हैं, बट सी सिर्फ लाइफस्टाइल नहीं, इट टीचेस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी। 25 से ज़्यादा साल समुद्र पर रहने के बाद एक कैप्टन ने वही डिसिप्लिन और प्योरिटी बिजनेस में लेकर आए। जब हनी एडल्ट्रेशन की रियलिटी सामने आई, उनके अंदर का बिजनेसमैन नहीं, द कैप्टन वोक अप। ये एपिसोड है प्रेशर, इंटीग्रिटी और एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को जन्म लेने का, जिसने 8 साल से ज़्यादा पेशेंस रखकर अपने इस ब्रांड को पीछे से बनाया। उसके बाद वो सोशल मीडिया पे लेकर आए। एंड आज के इस पॉडकास्ट में हम बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें जानने वाले हैं जो डेफिनेटली आपकी पूरी लाइफ को चेंज कर सकता है, आपके पूरे नज़रिए को चेंज कर सकता है, आपकी हेल्थ को चेंज कर सकता है। सो ज़्यादा देर ना वेस्ट करते हुए मैं तो आइए स्वागत करते हैं कैप्टन विनीत का। सर कैसे हैं आप?
I'm good, बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you having me here on your podcast.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग आवर शो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। एंड कैसा लग रहा है आपको हमारे स्टूडियो में आकर?
It's looking good. I'm feeling that.
एंड सर जैसा कि मैंने आपके नाम के आगे बोला ही कैप्टन विनीत, तो मैं चाहता हूँ हमारी ऑडियंस को हम इस पॉडकास्ट के शुरू करने से पहले थोड़ा सा आप अपने बारे में बताइए, आपकी जर्नी के बारे में बताइए।
About my journey, I have in merchant navy approximately 27 years, and it was not a good, not a easy. Starting was tough. Merchant navy में entrance exam IMU इंडियन मैरीटाइम यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू होते हैं. देन आफ्टर गवर्नमेंट के जो कॉलेजेस होते हैं उसमें अपने एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम वापस से लेते हैं. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज़ अ इंटरव्यू. सो दिस इज़ अ प्रोसेस. वंस इंडियन मैरीटाइम यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम, देन गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड कॉलेजेस, देन आफ्टर द इंटरव्यू. सो when I was in merchant navy, that was not the process. There was only one entrance exam. After the selection, I was doing my cadetship, and as you know, cadetship is not the easy job on ship. It's like a new world. You see ship which is totally different from the home or land, and you are always rolling and pitching. And I was sick of it. Whereas for me, it was very difficult staying on board vessel. It was not easy just to stay over there, but we have to do work. Cadetship means training, और ट्रेनिंग का मतलब है हर कोई आपसे कुछ ना कुछ करवाएगा.
अच्छा.
Means you have to do everything because you have to be well known about the vessel. You have to be you will become a master after some time. Master means you have to know everything about the vessel. So we, as a cadet, we used to do lots of the thing which we don't know even. So in cadetship, I remember one fine day there was a bad weather, and I start vomiting, and my master told me you have to come on bridge and you have to do the watch keeping. Then I was thinking, what the hell? What is it? They are not even considering I'm not feeling well. I should be considered as a patient. Some doctor should look after of me, but that was not the case. My master called me on bridge and he gave me one bag. So I was vomiting on that bag, and then after I was doing look after. And it was so bad, I cannot forget that thing. After some time, you don't have a vomit also. You just feel like a vomit, but there is no vomit. So it was very difficult, very difficult.
Still, nowadays people usually thinks कि बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस इंडस्ट्री है, बहुत मज़ा आता होगा, मतलब वहाँ जाकर या वहाँ काम कर कर पानी ही पानी होता होगा। तो आपका कैसा दिन जाता है और जो ऐसा सोचते हैं उनके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
It is glamorous. Or sometime even I was also thinking when I was middle of ocean
Okay.
and there's no vessel around me. I'm the only one. Means I feel like having a power. But reality is not that. Reality is somewhere lies between strict discipline and responsibility. You have to be in discipline all the time and be responsible. मेरा normally दिन की शुरुआत में there is no good morning because we don't have a good morning. We are 24/7 working. As a master, me 24/7 working. Normally when morning time I just wake up, my morning start from the bridge. Checking the navigation charts, looking after the weather. आज weather कैसा है, कैसा मिलेगा, next 24 hour what will be going to happen, because weather is the biggest hurdle or thing for us. We have to be take care of weather all the time because routing is somewhat we have to take in account the weather. Then after radar, chart plottings, verification of ECDIS. So this is the normally, and I cannot do mistakes on these because there is a no scope of mistake. Means if I say having a 24-hour working hour as a master and whether is bad or good, I have to take a decision. I have to be always in the tow. Emergency can come anytime. My duty officer or my duty engineer can call me anytime. This is the issue, this is the problem. They have to look towards me for a decision and for the command.
सर कोई ऐसी स्टोरी जैसे आपने बताया मेरे को, इफ़ यू हैव अ स्टोरी जिसमें आपको डर लगा हो बहुत ज़्यादा कि यार ये तो सामने मतलब मैं शायद फेस ही नहीं कर पाऊँ, जो आप आज तक भी नहीं बोल पाए?
You see one thing. Normally, my every voyage have this story. Ship is not the easy one. And I have lots of story where I have feeling that it's above me. I cannot handle it. But the another thing, I cannot show my fear to my crew. As a master,
As a master.
I have to be a confident. They expect me right decision into the right direction. So I remember, I think everyone heard here there is a Captain Philip Snowy.
हाँ.
Right? I'm telling the same time being I was a master on board, maybe little bit before and after of that is.
ठीक है.
So I was a master on board and the same area I'm talking about, the Somalia.
Somalia.
Yeah. So we were crossing, time was, I cannot even forget, everything is right clear in front of my eyes.
नहीं.
Then 4 o'clock, chief officer normally take over the command from the second officer.
Okay.
Chief officer came on bridge. I was sleeping that time. So chief officer came on bridge and after 20 minutes, he was spotting some boats. That time everybody knows there's a pirates, they come here. So we were already alert about them. So he spotted some boats.
Okay.
Normally what happens when you are in that kind of area, they are also smart. What is their best back? We don't identify them. हमें उनका पता ही ना चले कि they are coming towards us. This is what they want.
ठीक है.
And what we want, कि we want to identify them as soon as possible.
कि वो कौन है?
कि वो कौन है. Now, this is the thing when watchkeeping officers always have to be on their toe and keep watch looking after everywhere. But chief officer spotted these boats. It was one boat initially and it was coming towards us and suddenly there was a 7-8 boat. It is you see, it is like a magic. Nobody believed. There was one boat. Suddenly it was 7-6 boat. How? What they do, there is a one mother boat and they tow 6-7 boats behind them. When these boats coming towards you, our radar can see only one boat. And once they come close to us, they start approaching towards us with maximum speed.
Okay.
And let me tell you, their speed is 3 times more than us. And this is normal. They have a speed 3 times more than us. If I say we were going for 15 knot speed, they were coming for 30 knot approximately. We were on 12 knot, they were coming on 30 knot speed. Now, what options we have? We are not a warship. We cannot fight them. We don't have commandos on board. But they have girls, they have bazookas. They start firing.
They have firings.
Exactly, they have firing. And they start firing, they have bazookas, they are totally pointed towards the bridge, towards the crew. I just exceed little ahead. I just coming back again. When chief officer called me that I have sighted some boats, I just rushed to the bridge and I have identified. Now, people's in that area there was a collision warship also. An Indian collision warship, Russian collision warship, US collision warship. There's a collision warship. These vessels are for our protection. So we have to communicate with them in case of emergency. But what they did, we have a VHF frequency channels. They block these channels. So we cannot, we can communicate, but it is not easy to communicate with other vessel or other warship for the help. So when these vessels approaching us, I just identify immediately there is a disturbance on VHF.
And how many officers in this जो आपका बोट था?
In this, suppose in my vessel, there is a normally 28 peoples. But on bridge, there is a one lookout, one wheelsman, one duty officer. Normally, there is a 3 to 4 person on the bridge. That chief officer called me. I came up. I identified this is the real situation and these are the pirates. I immediately ring the emergency distress alarm. So every crew on board is awake. Chief engineer went to the engine room. We were on our maximum speed. Then all crew I have asked to the muster station. There is a citadel, we call it citadel. There is a safe place. Everybody has to muster over there because our priority is we should not be catched by these pirates. If they catch any one of us, then collision warship or any other warship cannot do anything. So that's why we made one citadel. Everybody has to proceed over there. A master will be on the bridge. He will be the last to proceed. So once they are approaching towards us, now this is the time we have to use complete our skill because we are not the warship. We don't have any ammunition, any arms. They have everything. They have firing us.
But आप लोगों के पास सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए आर्म्स भी नहीं होते?
That time, no. Now, if now I'm going to cross Somalia area, I have a bodyguards. I have the arms. I have all commandos on board. At least 3 to 4 commandos always we take, and then after we will cross the Somalia area. But that time, this is after Captain Phillips movie came and just viral everywhere. Then these things happen. Then all governments have decided, okay, we will place commandos on board while crossing Somalia. But before that, it was not that. So I'm talking the situation before, and this is the real situation I have faced that time. I cannot forget that. After that also I have faced same problem, but that time I was experienced of this thing. This was my first issue. So the boat is coming. We have to send the all crew inside the citadel, and now all about our skill, how we maneuver and keep safe from these pirates. They have upper hand. What? They have a higher speed than us. They have a gun, right? We don't have a no gun, nothing. What we have just our skill to maneuver. What we have a fire hoses. We have a some wire. We can put it around there. We just try to stop them on board. The main thing what we have normally masters, some type they don't use it, but everybody try to use it, the maneuvering. In this case, best choice to save your vessel is maneuvering. Maneuvering means Suppose my vessel speed is 10 to 12 knots, suppose, and they are 20 knots. But their limitation is they have only fuel for half an hour to 1 hour. Means they can chase me only from 30 minutes to 40 minutes. If I survive in 30 to 40 minutes, then they will abort the mission.
And you are at on your maximum speed.
I'm on maximum speed 12 knots.
So ऊपर होती थी.
उससे ऊपर नहीं जाएगी. On that vessel, that was my vessel, 12 to 13 knot. We were on the maximum speed. Now our safe hand is we are the big vessel. When vessel is going, moving, he create flakes. They are having small boats. Small boats has to cross that flake, and then they come to the alongside. Then they put one ladder and come up. So these fake water flake जो बन रहा है, जो गली बन जाती है, this is my main hurdle, so that I can create a hurdle for them to approach me. So, अब मुझे maneuvering कैसा करना है? Suppose he is approaching from my one side, so I have to make biggest hurdle, biggest sea waves to them, so that they cannot survive. They just collapse or something do. This is what we can do. So this is when you will do this maneuvering, your speed further goes down. So you have to be keep in your mind when you will go zigzag motion, your speed further go down. You have to take in mind this one also. So that was very crucial. That 40 minutes I never forget. Somehow they fired on us. We have damage on bridge, but somehow they couldn't board the vessel. And finally we saved. And after some time we informed. Meanwhile we have already informed the Indian Coast Guard was there, and they contact us. They come with the chopper and everything was okay. And they finally escaped.
तो रियल ऐसा लगा कि ये वहाँ पे तो मतलब कुछ सोचा ही नहीं जाता होगा कि मतलब क्या है क्या नहीं है. सो कैप्टन विनीत, मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये है कि 25 से ज़्यादा साल आपने वहाँ बिताए थे, 27 साल आपने वहाँ पे बिताए. तो 27 साल में समुद्र ने आपको बदला या आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा वहाँ पे?
समुद्र, actually I cannot change sea. Sea has changed me a lot.
किन टर्म्स में?
And if I say, when I have joined the Merchant Navy, I was ambitious. But sea taught me patience. Now, I have a balance between ambition and patience. This is what about sea gives me. Sea taught me choose focus in place of ego. Because we have to be always focused on our course, our all equipments. Any operation is going on, we have to be focused on that. She told me that you have to be more patient, more grit in place of excitement or taking too much fast decisions. We cannot do that. Means if I'm not patient, then it is very difficult for me to survive. Because you see, Samundar, there is no second chance. Okay, sometimes suppose if you are on sea, and suppose in case of emergency you have to stop instantly. How you will stop? You don't have brakes. There's a different kind of brakes, but it will take time. You have brakes means you have to stop engine, but ship is moving. Then you have to check the critical RPM, then you reverse the engine, still ship is moving. Then after reverse, it will start stopping slowly. Means in case of emergency, sometime it will take 1 nautical mile. 1 nautical mile means approximately 1.8 miles to stop that vessel. So we have to be think far for that.
सो कैप्टन सर, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आपने इतना टाइम एक ऑफिसर बन के बिताया, एंड उसके बाद आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि आपको बिजनेस बनाना चाहिए और अपना खुद का एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करना चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू नो योर प्रोडक्ट, कि क्या नाम है उसका और क्या किस वजह से ये प्रोडक्ट आप बनाना चाह रहे हैं?
ओके, स्टार्टिंग से चलते हैं. एज यू टोल्ड मी दैट हाउ आई थिंक आई हैव टू कम ऑन बिजनेस. एक्चुअली the previous question just you have asked, see how much sea changed me. In sea we are 24/7 working, right? if we are 24/7 working and when I came over here, I'm 24/7 free. See, I have family, I'm enjoying, but I'm free. So I was not absorbing that one. I couldn't absorb actually. So I was thinking that there has to be some business others. And fortunately, I have a very sweet brother.
Okay.
And he is with me. He's my strength from the beginning. So we have started business.
Okay.
But Captain's Honey was 2019, and I was getting little bit older. And when you getting little bit older, normally different issues with your body comes. Right? When you are young, nothing gonna happen. But as soon as you are starting getting older, so issue will arrive. So I was continuously thinking, what could I have done and what can I be useful for my body so that it will be good for me or for my family, my father, my mother. So from the starting, I was very fond of sweet actually.
Okay.
My mind came to honey, and I read one book. Actually, it was my father's book. That ancient time, the honey was a main ingredient with Ayurvedic medicines.
अच्छा, ये पता नहीं था हमें.
In Ayurvedic, where there was an ancient, जो पुराने लोग होते थे वो हनी में ही मिला के देते थे. आज भी कुछ है ऐसा कि हनी में ये मेडिसिन मिला के खा लेना, ये खा लेना, वो खा लेना, वो हनी में मिला के दे. मीन्स हनी was the base. So I was thought a lot that I came to know that some books saying that honey is a complete food. He has almost all the element which body required on daily basis. I'm not saying this is truth, but this is what I have read somewhere. But still I'm thinking that honey has most of the elements which body required on daily basis. That's why the ancient time Ayurveda always prefer honey as a base. So I was thinking, what should I do with my body so I can be healthy? My father, my mother, my brother, means my near and dear at least should be healthy.
एंड कितना क्वांटिटी मिलना चाहिए डेली?
I will come on this, कि how much quantity, because I have writing a book on this also.
Okay.
So I will doing all basic things, how you take the honey, how you can eat it. Because normally, if somebody like you are asking me how much quantity, my question will be, what and for which reason you want to consume honey? Why you want to consume honey? This will be my question. Any issue of your body, if you tell me, I can tell you exactly which type of meat you should eat.
Okay.
Right? So that time, 2019, I was thinking a lot about my personal health being. Then COVID comes. Right? I believe end of 2019 COVID comes, and March was the lockdown.
Lockdown.
Right? March was the lockdown in India, but COVID was everywhere. China was the first country who detected this COVID, and that was in November, December. Even before that, they were hiding everything, but before that, it was that. At that time, I was thinking, that time I didn't know, but I have registered the company that time because I was thinking about my health only, my near and dear's health. In COVID time, you won't believe, I got 3 times COVID.
उस टाइम पे
Thrice. 3 times. Means there's a 3 wave of COVID. In first wave of COVID, I get COVID. In second wave of COVID, I get COVID. In third wave of COVID, I got COVID. First wave of COVID, I got COVID. I didn't go to any doctor because that time I was heard there is no medicine of this. Doctors are just doing experiment on the bodies. And if you go once in the hospital, you will never come back. That was my fear. I'm not saying this is right, but that was my fear. But I didn't go hospital. What I did, because I was searching and reading all these testimonials and all these honey properties, so I just start one thing. There was Tulsi honey. Tulsi honey has an antibiotic property, right? So I was using Tulsi honey with little salt and kali mirch.
Yes, I know.
राइट उसको उसका पेस्ट उसमें थोड़ा सा अदरक डाला उसका पेस्ट बना के आई हैव स्टार्टेड ईटिंग
अच्छा है.
आई वॉज ईटिंग देयर वॉज वन tablet also if you have a fear here to eat it I don't want to take that name. I was eating that tablet also means I'm not saying but I was eating that tablet also but for the cure I was eating the honey ready me actually
Okay.
kitchen made honey ready me continuously from then till now I have asking all my near dear this is the thing you have to eat this and keep continue maybe okay I'm not saying you don't need a doctor but it will be better for you. It may give you relaxation and somehow it's giving me relaxation. Till now, I have a pollen. I will let you know afterward. You have a pollen. Till now, from that day, I'm eating pollen.
Okay.
Pollen has a different quality. Pollen is a natural protein.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone what wants to eat protein for muscles building, but as your age grow, because I was thinking for myself, after the age of 40, your absorption of protein decline. So in artificial protein and protein from the market when you buy, it is not absorbing on your bodies. So you are eating it, you are thinking you are taking protein, but it is not absorbing that much. So pollen is a natural protein. When you eat it, I feel it digest instantly.
And you eat it like daily basis.
Every single day. How you will eat it? I've always, when I send to my customers, my dear customers,
I'll put all the descriptions.
yes, I put in the description how you should eat this thing.
Okay.
But normally, any customer, when he comes and he just face to face with me, my question is, why you need this honey? Why you need honey product? You tell me your issue, then I will let you know what you eat. Because this is like even all my employees, I say you should proud on that. We are not cheating anything. We are doing Captain Promise. I'm giving my face on it. I'm doing Captain Promise that everything I will give you, that will be 100% pure. Should be and must be. If I am on that level, I always ask you should always proud on you. You are when somebody is talking to you because you see, when customer is coming, they have different type of customers. Somebody say you are lying. Somebody say I'm eating this honey from so long time. I buried her any cure. They are saying something. But when you eat right way, and guarantee you, suppose you are eating blood purifier medicine, some blood purifier. I'm saying okay, there is a jamun I call it. Jamun is a natural blood purifier.
Okay.
Or if you are eating jamun honey, you don't need to eat a medicine, I guarantee. No, sorry, I'm not guaranteeing. I'm just saying that this will be gonna benefit you.
Okay.
Because jamun honey is a good for sugar patient also.
अच्छा.
Okay, you eat jamun honey in the evening, morning is the neem honey. हम लोग नीम के पत्ते खाते हैं. If we are eating नीम के पत्ते क्यों? ब्लड प्यूरिफाई होना चाहिए. आप जामुन हनी और नीम हनी लो, आपको शुगर जो आजकल सबसे बड़ा पेंडेमिक होता जा रहा है कि बस शुगर पेशेंट, आप जामुन हनी खाओ क्योंकि आप स्वीट नहीं खा सकते हो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि स्वीट खाना चाहिए. दिस इज डिफरेंट टॉपिक. आई एम सेइंग इफ यू हैव अर्ज टू ईट समथिंग, ईट जामुन हनी.
और उससे कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं होंगे.
साइड इफेक्ट तो होते ही नहीं है. देयर इज नो साइड इफेक्ट. बट if you want to eat rasgulla, suppose, and you are sugar patient, eat jamun honey as a sweeter. It will be okay. If you are saying sweeten in harm, but it will be very much less harm than rasgulla.
Correct.
But for me, I'm saying if I am a sugar patient, I will eat jamun honey. I will replace this thing. I'm trying to replace all these things.
सो कैप्टन सर, मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये है कि आपने जो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया उसका नाम कैप्टन हनी करके क्यों रखा, और कुछ इसके पीछे लॉजिक क्या था? मतलब ये कैप्टन की चॉइस है ये हनी की, तो इस वजह से सब खरीदेगा, क्या सोचा आपने?
आपने क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा पूछा है. दैट इज एक्चुअली आई वांटेड यू टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, बट यू सी देयर आर सो मेनी ब्रांड्स और so many guys are asking me same question that you should not put your picture on it. But I was very sure that I want to put my face because I want to say people I am the one. If there is a something wrong you find, this is the face to blame. That is the only reason that I put my face over there, and this is what she taught me again. That you have to be feel responsible for everything. You have to be feel responsible for all your acts. So I want myself as a responsible for my brand. So that was the reason I put my face over.
सर क्या ऐसा भी मालूम है कि जो 27 साल आपने डिसिप्लिन सीखा कि और जो लीडरशिप स्किल सीखी है आपने वहाँ पे, तो क्या अपने बिजनेस में भी वो फॉलो हुई वो चीज़, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं कनेक्टेड हुए वो थॉट्स?
Exactly. See, now it is inside me. Discipline inside me.
करेक्ट.
I cannot survive without discipline. अगर आप अभी भी देखोगे, even on board and in India, I always मेरा फिक्स टाइम वेकअप होने का है 4 o'clock. I wake up 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Then go for some walking and do some exercise and come for reading and something. So discipline, what she and before that I must say my father.
ओके.
In my complete career, I have never seen कि मेरे पिताजी ने एक भी दिन मिस किया हो. He wake up 3 o'clock early morning and till now not a single day missing. Not a single day. Either he is traveling a car, train or somewhere else, you will never miss.
एंड एट व्हाट टाइम ही इज लाइक स्लीपिंग?
9 o'clock.
शार्प.
Sharp 9. Miss
9 to 10. हाँ 9 at exact 5 to 6 hours लाइक खाली सोते हैं वो.
बस. मतलब मेरे लाइफ टाइम में मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा है कि वो एक भी दिन उन्होंने वो छोड़ा. एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग ऑलवेज
पुशिंग
मी कि मुझे यार ये तो करना ही है. दैट डिसिप्लिन एक्चुअली उन्हीं से स्लोली उनसे स्टार्ट हुआ. देन आई सी में डिसिप्लिन के बिना तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. मीन्स इफ आई से इफ माई वन ऑफ ऑफिसर just change 1 degree of your ship course and after 100 miles he will be on different place. Just changing 1 degree on compass. So in discipline, if I change my discipline little bit, it will gonna change me a lot in future life. Who I am now, you can see me. It is my discipline, my father, what he gave me, and the sea.
मेरा क्वेश्चन अभी रह गया, व्हाई चूज कैप्टन हनी?
Okay, means I choose my face as my brand, and captains was, you see, when there is anything comes on board, anything, captain is the one who will take decision.
ओके.
Captain is the leader. Without captain, you cannot perform any decision on board. The final decision will be from the captain side. And if he is the only one leader over there, so I thought my brand should be the only one leader in this market.
Okay.
So I just try to take it because you see, Captain Honey for me is not just a product. It is not just a product. It is a journey. It is a nature, discipline, and leadership. Moreover, if I say honeybees का teamwork plus captain की responsibility, it is captain's honey.
Wow. Nice. I feel your energy and I see your like freshness for your product also. एंड मेरा एक अगला सवाल इसी से रिलेटेड है कि कैप्टन हनी क्या सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट है या एक्चुअली वो एक लोगों की हेल्प करने का एक ज़रिया भी है जिससे उनकी जो डेली रूटीन्स हैं या फिर डेली प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको वो सॉल्व कर सके कहीं ना कहीं, मतलब वो सोचा गया है इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए, है ना?
This is the only thing I was thinking right from the very beginning.
ओके.
But this is not for people's previously. I was thinking this for me and my near and dear ones actually.
Correct.
And after some time when they start getting benefit of it, so they used to told me, यार, why not you start this? This is very nice. Peoples को पता ही नहीं है. Moreover, after COVID, everyone was so concerned about the health they were never before like that. Then I thought, okay, if health is the most important thing and honey is the one of the ingredient which can enhance health, to increase health, anyone's health, it will be very good. So my basic idea is money is the byproduct. Money is not my target. It will be byproduct, and I don't need to earn this. It will gonna come. If public or my customers start getting health, start getting good result, they feeling smile on their face. That is my action.
बट सर जब लोग पैसों के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, प्रॉफिट्स के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, शेयर्स के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, एंड एट दैट टाइम यू डिसाइडेड योर लाइक प्योरिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट या अवेयरनेस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट या हेल्पिंग पीपल्स, तो वहाँ पर कितना रिस्की लग रहा है अपना सब कुछ इतना टाइम देने के बाद, अपनी एनर्जी देने के बाद, ऑफ कोर्स पैसा देने के बाद, ये सारी चीज़ें के बाद फिर प्रॉफिट को सेकेंड प्रायोरिटी सोचते हुए और अपने मतलब लोगों की हेल्प और अवेयरनेस को पहला प्रायोरिटी देते हुए, कैसा मतलब आपको डर नहीं लगता?
See, you can feel when you start talking about honey. You see, you were talking about my sea life also before. When you start talking about honey, I am excited from inside because I feel,
I see on your face.
yes, honey, really, I feel if you start honey eating wisely, it will be gonna very good for your health. Very good. But you see, in the market, normally there's an adulterator. But I cannot say which one is good, which one is bad. I can only say the purity are concerned. Because again, my root is from sea, from Merchant Navy. I always focus on clarity. If you are clear about something and you're gonna walk through that way, you're gonna achieve that. Money will follow you. This is no reason. But you have to be make something from which or your jitne near dear hai, your public hai, they has to be take advantage of that product. If you make that, if you make your product useful for that, money will follow. Money is not the problem.
तो आपके हिसाब से पावर इम्पोर्टेंट है या फिर मनी?
For me, respect is more important actually. I won't say power. With power, you can listen somebody. But with respect, you will follow that guy.
Correct.
With trust, you will follow that guy. For me, trust or responsibility ज़्यादा important है. Money will come automatically, so there's a out of portion of money. If you have a respect and trust, power will also come automatically. So power or money, they are second priority. First priority should be loyalty and trust.
एनी वन लेसन इफ आई एम आस्किंग विद यू कि लीडरशिप के लिए कि व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वन थिंग आई वुड आस्क यू कि जो आपने इम्प्लीमेंट करी हो अपने पूरे करियर में लीडरशिप के लिए, जो आप अपने इस प्रोडक्ट में भी लगा रहे हो?
Patience. And I believe and I have a big faith on patience. Because you see, brand building not a one day job. Trust building not a one day job. When you have a hurdles, you have to be go through these hurdles and it will take time.
जैसा कि आपने बताया कि जब उस टाइम पे फायरिंग भी हुई तब भी उस टाइम पे भी आपने एक पेशेंस रख के एक सही डिसीजन लिया, और बीइंग अ फाउंडर जब आप एक कंपनी ओन कर रहे हो, रन कर रहे हो, तो उस टाइम पे आपका सबसे बड़ा डर क्या रहता है?
C is difficult. Again, I am just because comparison, because my root is there.
Of course.
C is difficult, but entrepreneurship is ruthless. Why? In C, somehow, if you know the SOPs, standard procedures, you know how this gonna work. Suppose there's a bad weather is coming, you have the report 24 hours before, even more than before that nowadays. It was previous day when you don't have a weather report. If you are going planning some route, you have all hurdles, navigation issues, everything you have, so you can avoid these things. But in entrepreneurship, business, sometime you will find a different problem, sometime different problem, so it's ruthless.
अगर मैं आपसे आपके प्रोडक्ट के लिए एक बेस्ट यूएसपी पूछूं कि वाई हम क्यों आपका प्रोडक्ट खरीदें, एंड खरीदने के बाद में कितने टाइम के बाद वी हैव अ रिजल्ट्स ऑन ऑन द पैनल या किसी भी चीज़ पे हम सोचें तो कैसे रहेगा?
See, I must say, you don't have choice. You should buy this product. Okay, why? See, मैं सबके साथ नहीं कह सकता, but I have been experimental by own brother.
तो कैप्टन सर, ऑल्दो मुझे पूरा यकीन है आपके प्रोडक्ट पे और आपके फेस पे जो एनर्जी है वो देख के लग रहा है कि हाँ यू आर समथिंग लाइक डूइंग ग्रेट और बिग। पर फिर भी मैं अगर आपसे पूछूं मैं आपका प्रोडक्ट क्यों खरीदूं सिंपल भाषण में, या फिर हमारे कस्टमर्स आपका ब्रांड क्यों खरीदें, ऐसा क्या है बेस्ट, तो क्या बताओगे?
You don't have choice. And now I'm saying, after some time, you will say that.
अच्छा,
Because, see, if you are eating, if I'm saying honey, I'm just saying pure, 100% pure honey, what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Because pure is pure. I cannot say again. Rest is impure, that is adulterate. So if you are eating honey, the benefit of honey, we all don't know actually. Because we have already removed honey from our life. We are not eating honey everyday basis. Honey is something which has to be consumed on daily basis. If you are consume something on daily basis, it has to be pure. Because as just before some time I told you, if you alter 1 degree on compass, after 100 nautical mile your ship will be some other place, not which you have decided. Same when you start eating honey on daily basis, it is invisible, silent. If you are not eating actual, if I must say, if you are not eating pure honey, means the invisible foreign particles entering inside your body, slowly harming. Because what?
बट हाउ विल यू चूज कि व्हाट इज लाइक वेयर हनी और नॉट? हमें तो नहीं पता, आपने काम किया, आपको पता है।
See, there are so many things on the market. This is real honey, and this is not real honey.
सब बोलते हैं फिर,
But for me, I can identify easily because I'm working from long time.
Exactly.
If I go office, I can find the approximately 18 honeys lying over there. I can identify the texture of the honey. I can identify the color of the honey. For me, it's very easy. For normal guys, there are basic thumb rules. Means you see, I will let you know after one story if we got chance. But normally, these all educational videos I have started making on YouTube. Why I am doing these educational videos? Because the peoples are not familiar with actual honey or the benefit of honeys. They are just, suppose something is happening, if doctors say, okay, take this medicine with the honey, then only they are taking it. They are not using it as a daily basis. Let me tell you one figure. In US, and US consumption of honey in US and consumption of honey in India is too much difference. Means we are not consuming anything, only 100 grams per person. If you talking about the US, they are taking 2 to 3 kg per person. So it is very big difference.
इन अ मंथ
This one person consumption, you can say this one. But if you thinking that they are, means they are more educated about the honey, we are not. You see, initially they are going slowly to consume natural things, and we are going to move slowly to consume unnatural things. If you see, we have a mind. The second largest mind is liver. Our body's second largest mind is liver, and liver decide which particles, which product, which element has to be absorbed and which not to be absorbed. And all artificial product or all medicines, by default, liver denied to absorb. Our body is naturally made up of absorb natural things. That is what honey or Ayurveda comes, I must say. So honey is natural and he have all these elements. Just a thing we have to make aware of everyone that how important is honey. It is not for eating once in a month. It is for eating every day in your life.
ओके
That's why I'm saying you must have my product.
सर, एक ब्रांड को बनने में 8 साल आपने लगाए, लेकिन आप सोशल मीडिया पे अब आ रहे हैं, इसके पीछे रीजन क्या था, या आपका विश्वास नहीं था सोशल मीडिया पे कि बाद में देखेंगे?
See, for me, branding, loyalty, and trust is fast actually. And when you start new business and you are on social media right from the first day, you are nothing, you are bullshitting. How it can be possible? You have start business now and you are on social media saying my product is this, my product is this. Not possible. When I have started initially, I found so many legs. Means procuring of honey is the most difficult task.
अच्छा.
Why? Because adultering always on the procurement of the honey. I learned these things. I studied over there. I see how honey can grow, how we can do harvesting, what is the basic need when you growing the honey, what can be adulted when you are harvesting honey. It will take time. So for me, I'm not delaying. I'm on right track. I'm on right time. You can ask this question that 8 year I'm not on social media. Right, yeah. It was intentional. I cannot come without the preparation. I cannot come without having 100% confidence on my product. And I cannot bullshitting with you guys, with all my customers.
राइट रीज़न सर, मतलब ये चीज़ कभी सोची ही नहीं गई हमारी तरफ से कि एटलीस्ट आप पहले प्रिपेयर हो जाओ, उसके बाद आपको करना.
No, simple thought process. You see, you have started business, okay, and business normally break even पे आने के लिए, this is thumb rule, you need minimum of 5 years. If you are doing best, break even पाने के लिए, break even, why we are saying 5 year means in 5 year you will do mistakes, your standards will elapse or make go down. You will make new standards, you will adjust something, it will gonna take time. If my foundation is not strong, how I can promise to others?
करेक्ट.
So first we have to make solid foundation, because my concern is, as I told you, this product is not just a product, it's a journey, or journey takes time.
तो सर, जैसे कि मैंने सुना है कि आप ना हनी, कैप्टन हनी को कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग भी करते हो, कि यार किसी को गिफ्ट करना है तो आप कैप्टन हनी की गिफ्ट कर सकते हो. तो इस चीज़ में कैसे एंटर हुए आप, और ये चीज़ कैसे सोचा, और क्या माध्यम कैसे हम कर सकते हैं इसको?
See, just your previous question was that social media पे आप इतने दिनों बाद क्यों आए, right? क्योंकि I was to be loyal and confident on my work. And same thing over here regarding the corporate gifting. It was accidental. It was not my wish. Okay. I was never want to be in this, because corporate gifting is something different. Corporate gifting means you are gifting some physical items to your employees, and these corporate gifts always lie down in their house and they are useless. Right? But one day, one of my friend came and he told me, I want to give something different to my employee. So I asked, what different? It was Diwali actually. And I asked, what different? Means chocolate is something not good. If I give some washing machine or something is not good. Then I thought, can you give honey? Then he was so excited. Right, yeah. Can you do something customized for me? Honey, real sweetness with health. And some other corporate gift which we normally give. Can you customize this for me? I say, okay, I can do it. Then you won't believe. Then I feel starting that you are giving something for happiness. Why not you are giving something for happiness to him, his health also? This is, I believe, even I'm thinking in marriage and birthday, the guys are giving some small gifted. Why don't you give honey balls? Like motichur ka laddu, gave him honey balls.
करेक्ट.
So I was thinking, you won't believe, I have so much good response on it, I am having international order for this. Not the national order. I have an international order which is corporate gifting mixing with honey. Means you are getting gift with sweetness.
अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आगे कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो आप लॉन्च करना चाहते हो आगे, या फिर किस फील्ड में जाने वाले, जैसे हनी आई थिंक एक पार्ट होगा.
Actually, I'm or not me actually. Now my all team working together on the wellness product, on the healthy product. Now I have a, I'm not want to say, but I can say I have a collaboration with Ayurvedic doctors also. We are doing research, and very soon we are gonna file a patent also
ओके.
to the Ayurvedic herbs and honey. I want to make a wellness product such that if your small son, daughter, your relevant, your near and dears want to eat something which they can feel it that it's not bad, it is good, and it gonna help your health. So I want to just participate to just enhance furthermore in health side. And the product like we have a pollen, then we have a honey chocolates, we have a honey sauces also. We are coming off honey jam, and it is really tasty. Honey murabba, we are coming on this. So slowly, I'm coming to honey product. Means I am favor of replacing sugar with honey. So slowly, I'm going over there. And for you see, the main issue normally these old age are facing is like joint pain. A simple thing. What we are just now we are gonna researching on this. So I'm working on this also with Ayurvedic doctor and honey.
Nice.
Because we have a honey which is antibiotic or inflammatory properties. If inflammatory properties in our honey and we can mix some herbs in it, it soaks in it, and we can make that honey something like that.
Correct. So at last, if I'm asking you, ki, what is the vision of yours for this product, for these wellness products, and for your team, for your customers?
My vision is only one thing. The customer think there is no other choice except Captain Sunny, and whenever they taste, they feel trust. They feel this is what I am eating is not an after it. This is not bad for my health.
नहीं सर. एंड लास्टली मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि कोई ऐसा मैसेज जो भी हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है वो हैव स्टार्टेड देयर जर्नी अभी से, सो अगर कुछ मैसेज अगर आप उन्हें देना चाहें, क्योंकि आपका 27 साल की एक्सपीरियंस वहाँ और उसके बाद फिर बिज़नेस का एक्सपीरियंस, तो इतने सारे एक्सपीरियंस में आई मेक श्योर कि आपने बहुत सारी ऐसी नई चीज़ें सीखी होंगी जो हमने सोची भी नहीं है. तो कोई एक मैसेज, एक लाइन में देना तो मुश्किल है आपके हिसाब से, जैसे आपको सही लगे, बट एक मैसेज जो ओवरऑल आपकी जर्नी को उसमें ब्रेक थ्रू रखते हैं.
For new entrepreneur, what I feel, I'm gonna tell you. Everyone making ideas, and I'm sure your viewers also having so many ideas, and after listening our podcast also they have more ideas. So ideas से ज़्यादा execution important है. If you have a right execution, right time, and you have some mentor, it can be a book, or you can learn from others' mistake. That is what new entrepreneur should.
अरे लास्टली सर मैं आपसे कुछ रैपिड फायर लेना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah.
उसमें आपको एक चूज़ करना है, ओके, एंड देन विल रैप अप दिस पॉडकास्ट. तो मेरा पहला रैपिड फायर आपसे ये है, यू चूज इधर वन, है ना, कि सी और लैंड.
I say both. Because land is something I get originated, my near and dears over there, and sea is something who make me so calm, confident and sure.
ओके, पावर या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी?
I will go always with the responsibility because power is the outcome of responsibility. It will come.
ओके, प्रॉफिट या प्योरिटी?
Purity with profit.
ओके, शॉर्टकट या लॉन्ग रूट?
Always long route. because I just come here for the shortcut. You have heard one incident, Titanic. I think everybody heard that incident. So I'm not gonna tell me that one. There was another incident recently, is Costa Concordia incident. And I was telling you why my product is so much important for me, because I am not taking shortcut to this product. That is why I am so long out of the social media. So on that vessel, master has taken shortcut route. And that vessel was aground. Can you tell me, after aground, there was 37, I believe, death was in that incident. 37 death, passengers and crew. So can you just make an idea, just roughly idea, how much expense was from government side or other total expense to just salvage, just take out rescue and salvage of that vessel? How much cost as per you?
In terms of crores, yeah.
Yes, whatever in terms of crore. How much crore? Just idea. I'm not asking.
20 crores.
10-20 crores. Let me tell you, 2 billion US dollar was the cost of the salvation of that vessel.
$2 billion.
$2 billion. If you can calculate in Indian money, how much it will come? I must say it will come approximately 18,000 crore.
80,210.
Yes, to be very precise, 18,200 crore was the expense of that mistake. That mistake because of shortcut. If I am coming off that background, so you can think of, I will never gonna take shortcut. I am the person who always take a right.
These small mistakes.
There was only small mistake. He changed the vessel route and he did not verify that navigation route. You can check it. Costa Concordia was the vessel. It was a recent. And there are so many examples of this. So in our sea, the making of the mistake is not good. So we have to shortcut the mistake.
Very appreciated.
Yes. And this is the recent, not so much back. And there is also one thing I would like to just share. One thing. You see, you can feel also this one when you start talking about honey. I was very excited. It was also when I was in 2019, I was thinking about the honey and all. I came to know what is honeybee. It is the miracle. It is real miracle. You see, honeybees was existing much far before than our existence. And he is the one of the most social inside. They are having nurse, they are having nanny, they are having workers, they are having security guards, they are having everything. It means right from the very beginning, from the primitive time, they are having everything, all cultural. You know, honeybee, if they wants to go toilet, they never go toilet inside the attic. They go outside. You have seen the honeybee boxes different. From the one box to other box, they cannot put because security guard is there.
Nice, sir.
They have 5 eyes. 2 main compound eyes and there 3 also. And you see the one magical thing. Suppose you have apple in your hand. And having an apple in your hand, you came to know what is the taste of it.
Slightly.
You will not know. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. हाथ में हनी डालो, हनी का टेस्ट कैसा है आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ, जब तक आप टेस्ट करो.
Honeybee. If honeybee touch his leg to the flower, he can have taste of that in nectar.
Okay.
She has the taste of that nectar. So if sometime we get some idea, this is I can speak hour and hour on this. This is food culture. If I say means approximately 20,000 honey bees varieties are here And if you collect the weight of all these honeys, that weight will be the 4 times more than all human being, everything on earth. If you vanished honeybee, after 4 years, there will be a no life exist. They are playing so much important part in our life. Think about that. Means honeybee itself playing so much important part in our life. If they vanished, we cannot survive more than 4 years. What about their product? What about their product? How this product made? 1 kg honey, approximately 3,365 honeybees, making only 1 honeybee in complete lifespan, making 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 honeybee in complete lifespan, making 1 teaspoon of honey. And we are taking that honey so much. It is slow process. In single day, 1 honeybee flying thousands of miles to connect up just little bit 1 spoon of that honey. So it is miracle. It is not the simple way.
मेरा लास्ट रैपिड फायर रह गया था, फियर और इंटीग्रिटी.
Integrity, of course. Fear, sea taught us. There is no fear, no scope of fear over there. Every time we have to be it.
कैप्टन हनी और अदर हनी.
See, I must say no comment. I can only speak about the Captain. It is something you cannot avoid.
Correct, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for coming our show, and it really nice to meet you. कि बहुत सारी बातें हमने ऐसी करी जो of course एक तो नया एक्सपीरियंस था कि नई चीज़ें सुनने को मिली अबाउट योर स्टोरी, अबाउट योर लाइक प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस, सारी चीज़ें. इट्स रियली नाइस एंड आई एम श्योर कि हमारे जितने भी व्यूअर्स इस पॉडकास्ट को सुन रहे होंगे वो डेफिनेटली इस वीडियो को तो बहुत ज़्यादा शेयर करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स उनको बहुत सारी ऐसी नई चीज़ें पता चली होंगी जो हमें पता ही नहीं था. बहुत सारे ऐसे फैक्ट्स थे जो अब पता चले हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स भी, बिजनेस भी, आपकी जर्नी के बारे में भी. सो once again thank you so much for coming our show and giving us a thoughtful चीज़ें जो भी आपने बताई आज. सो थैंक यू सो मच. एंड व्यूअर्स जितने भी लोग इस पॉडकास्ट को सुनते हुए यहाँ तक आ चुके हो, इस पॉडकास्ट को बहुत ज़्यादा शेयर करिएगा, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं इस पॉडकास्ट की बहुत सारे लोगों को ज़रूरत है. क्योंकि वेलनेस एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसकी हर इंसान को ज़रूरत है. एक हेल्थ एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है, हेल्थ के लिए सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च होने वाले हैं वो सब की वेबसाइट्स पे भी आएंगे. एंड आई ऑल्सो पुट अ लिंक ऑन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ताकि आप वहाँ से कनेक्ट करवाओ सर को. एंड फिर भी किसी के कोई भी सवाल रह गए हो वो आप डेफिनेटली प्लीज़ कमेंट्स पे लिखिएगा ताकि हम सर को कनेक्ट करके वापस इसी एपिसोड में बुलाकर पूछे वो सवाल. अदरवाइज सर और मैं जैसे ही फ्री होंगे हम वैसे ही आपके जवाब क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे देंगे. थैंक यू सो मच वंस सर फॉर कमिंग आवर शो. नाइस टू मीट यू.
Thank you so much having me on your show. कि झूठी तारीफों का दम भरता नहीं है आईना और सच्चाई से कोई समझौता करता नहीं है आईना. ये तो सच है कि वो टूटकर चकनाचूर हो जाएगा, पर सच किसी से छिपाता नहीं है आईना. थैंक यू सो मच.